Hey everybody, True Sensei here, and we're gonna and right now we're gonna do a how-to video on how to make a pizza. Here we go.
Simple pizza.
Simple pizza. Can I show your face?
Nope.
Oh, I just did.
Well, it's okay.
So start with a tray, then put
Parchment
paper on it.
Trader Joe's naan.
Indian style flatbread.
Yep. Real solid.
Good now.
There's one.
And then get that.
Like I said, froze solid. Two. Go back in the freezer.
Immediately, right?
Yeah, you don't want them to thaw.
Alright.
Then
Hey, well, check out how I got the camera. Real quick. Real quick. Because I'm seeing you're being senior jammies.
Oh, yeah.
Is that okay?
I'd rather not. Here.
Well, look how the camera's positioned.
Okay, got this on now.
Alright. Sorry about that, folks. Well, look how the camera's positioned. Look. You like how it is?
Okay, then pizza sauce.
Pizza. Or do you want it on the other side?
Well, you want it on this side.
Pizza sauce, you pour it on there. How much?
About that much.
You don't know exactly how much.
No, because I just make yours a lot. Some people don't like a lot of sauce. You do. And get a spoon. And spread it out. Make sure you have enough sauce.
It's all empty?
No, I'll put it in here now. Put it back in the fridge. And for our pizza, we use turkey sausage.
Yeah, because I don't eat pork. And no, I'm not. No, I know that people of Islam don't eat pork, but that's not my religion. No.
Well, some people are allergic to pork.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
I just don't want to take a chance with the tricoli worm. That's the reason why.
It's called the trichina.
Trichina worm. Now that we got that on, now that we got the sausage on there.
And you just pile on your pepperoni. Turkey pepperoni, that is.
Yeah. Where's the roller?
For what?
You know, to cut it up.
No, I don't use that, Jeff.
What do you use?
I use the scissors.
Did you get rid of the roller?
It doesn't work. It's not sharp enough.
Oh. Okay, that's how you put it on the sun. That's how
Yeah.
Alrighty, now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we take it. We pop it in the oven.
That's called. Is that an oven or a
It's an oven.
or a microwave oven?
No, it's an oven.
Okay. Now show.
And then set it at pizza.
Let's see.
But not everybody has an oven like this.
Mm.
Set it at pizza for 8 minutes at 390. And voila, done.
All right.
Okay.
15 minutes later.
Well, now that the pizza's cooked, let's get show. Let me here. Let's hear this how to get it out. Saved it without getting burned. Can you explain, Mom? Can you explain, Mama?
Just get it out.
Like that?
And we set it right here.
Then what about cutting it?
Then I take my clean kitchen shears and I cut it in half.
You know what about cutting it in fours?
You don't need to cut it in fours.
Now what about what?
If you cut it in fours, they'll be too small to pick up.
Okay. Now what about what the important thing to do with the shear?
Make sure you put them under the water and wash them with soap. So you do that and spray a little soap on them. Carefully wash like that. There you go. There you have it. And you set them in over here to dry.
And now the pizza's all ready.
Yep, the pizza's ready and you can eat it.
All right, and that, folks, is how you make a homemade pepperoni and sausage with no cheese pizza. Hope you like it. Hope this was good information for you. But until next time, this is the truth. Share this video with the people who might like this and all that. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And share this video with your friends, family, anyone who might like this piece. But until then, this is the Truth Sensei signing off. Till next time.